Okay, so for 1D of IED 3.6, it asks for some summary or descriptive statistics, and unfortunately it looks like right now you cannot get this add-on as a student. Trying to get that fixed, but in the meantime there are some workarounds, and this would be one of them. You can use the formulas built into it, Google Sheets, to get some of this data. So, for example, if you want to find the mean of your data here, well, one easy trick is actually to come over to this and click the drop down, and it shows you the average. So it gives you the mean there. You can easily find range by taking max, subtracting the minimum from it. Okay, but if you want to do something like standard deviation, there are pre-programmed formulas into Google Sheets. And for example, standard deviation, we want the sample standard deviation. Okay, so that is I can click it or type in STDEVA and then put my range of data in there. So that's going to be B2 for me, all the way up to B11 in parentheses. Boom, and I've got my standard deviation, and it's the correct number of decimal places according to my data. If I needed to increase it, I could do that, or click this decrease.